So as you can see, our first topic is adding a sticker to a canvas. If you want to add a sticker or 3D sticker to your Paint 3D, it is a simple and easy task. So if you want to insert any sticker on your canvas, so these are the steps that you have to follow. First of all, to add a sticker to your canvas, click on the sticker icon. Okay, here you can see the sticker icon. When you open the Paint 3D on the window, here you can see the sticker icon. Okay, at the top menu, this sticker, when you click on it, a sticker panel will appear on the right hand side. This one you can see, this one is your sticker panel. Here you can find the three options. First one is your sticker, second one is texture, and third one is add stickers. So click on the sticker option. When you click on it, there are so many stickers available in your sticker panel display. Select the desired sticker. Like I am selecting this one. If I am selecting this one, then drag it and place on the canvas. Now next topic is selecting a sticker. If you can make changes to a sticker that you have inserted in the Paint 3D. Like if you have inserted a sticker in your Paint 3D and you want to change the size, position and orientation or appearance of a sticker, so you can do this. Before you make any significant change to a sticker, it is necessary to select the sticker first. First of all, you will select the sticker. The select tool placed just below the top menu is used to select a sticker. Okay, this is your top panel from where you can find the option of sticker. So below it there's a option of select. Okay, so this tool you can find here just above the top menu. So if you want to add the if you want to select the sticker, so there are some steps. First one is add the sticker sun to the canvas. First of all, we'll add a sticker to our canvas. Like this is a sun sticker that is placed on your canvas. Click on the select tool. Now we'll click on the select tool, and once the object is placed, so dotted line will be appear here like this. Okay, so once the object is selected, a rectangular dotted line will appear around the sticker. Then it is selected. Then you can change the size, you can change the appearance, you can change the proportion and all. Okay, next one is your moving a sticker. After adding the desired sticker, you can always change the position and size of the sticker. If you want to change the position and size of the sticker, so you can drag its edges and you can change it. So these are the steps. Insert a sticker sun into canvas and save the file with the name sun. I told you how to insert the sticker. So by that steps, you will insert a sticker, a sun sticker, then select the sticker using the select tool that I told you about. This from here you can select the sticker. After selecting it, select copy button under the edit option. Okay, from 2D selection panel. After selecting this, you have to click on the copy button. Okay, and this copy button you can find in the option of edit in the 2D selection panel. Now click on the paste button. The new copy of the selected sticker will be placed over the pre-existing sticker. Okay, when you click on the paste option, a copy of that sticker will be pasted and then pasted on that sticker, and select the inserted sticker and drag and drop down it a new location as shown in the figure here. By this image it will be clear to you. Okay, first you will insert a sticker of the sun, then you will choose the select option. After selecting this, you will go on the 2D selection panel. In this panel you can find the option of copy. Here you can copy it, then go to the paste option, and when you click on it, it will be pasted on here. Then you can drag it to change its position. Okay, so by these steps you can move the stickers in Paint 3D.